What would you do if the world as we know it ended today? Well, for us, the answer was simple. Build a place where we can live off the land, live with intention, and prepare for whatever comes our way. We're growing some of our own food. We have fruit trees, peaches, plums, satsumas. We grow muscadines, blueberries, strawberries, a few herbs, but that's not enough. We've taken on a bold new direction. Right here next to our 2-acre home site, we're starting from scratch, building a self-reliant homestead on 3 raw acres of potential. From prepping to planting, fencing to foraging, we're documenting it all. This land will soon be home to a cabin, a 10-foot by 32-foot chicken coop and run, a fenced-in garden, and solar power systems. Hey, do me a favor and hit that like button. Don't cost you nothing, and it sure will help us out. I'll take you in here and show you some of our solar equipment we've been collecting. So right here we have 5 solar panels that we have collected already. And over here we have couple of power inverters. We have a couple solar controllers. We got a crimping tool to crimp all of our fittings and what have you together. We have a couple of shut-off switches. We still have to get a little bit of wire. Got some connectors coming in, and that's what we got going on for solar at the time, which is going to be a project we're coming up with, working on here with our chicken coop. We're starting small, the chicken and garden area first, but we're making steady progress. And we're doing it all ourselves, one step at a time. Why? Because prepping isn't just about storing food and gear. It's about creating a place of peace, security, and sustainability. Our homestead is our mission, our sanctuary for our family, and a model for others who want to do the same. You'll see the ups and the downs. You'll learn from our wins and our mistakes. We'll be sharing step-by-step builds, tips on homesteading, gardening, raising chickens, off-grid systems, and emergency preparedness, all wrapped up in one project. So if you're ready to follow our journey and learn how to build a life rooted in freedom, self-reliance, and good old-fashioned hard work, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with someone who's thinking about homesteading too. We're SurvivalScope, and this is Project Homestead. Let's build it together.